Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somethit. Today I'm going to share with you a simple way to enjoy green mussels. For the ingredients I have 400 grams of frozen green mussels, some Thai peanut dipping sauce, some spring onion for garnishing, 10 to 20 pieces of kaffir lime leaf, wash and clean. Serve with some salad and cilantro. These two ingredients are optional. This is going to be very quick and simple. I recommend to prepare this right before meal. Let's get started. I have prepared the steaming pot here. Put in all the kaffir lime leaves. This allows the fragrance of kaffir lime leaves to be infused into the steamed mussels. I'm putting in all the mussel directly into the steaming pot for a quick steaming. Putting them in one by one. If you are doing the same, please be careful of the hot steam as it could hurt your hand. Cover the lid and let it steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Wow, this smells so good. I'm taking the mussel out piece by piece and directly placing it onto the serving plate that I have prepared with cilantro and salad. Now, sprinkle some chopped spring onions. And put the chili dip on each mussel. This chili dip is less spicy, so I'm putting it slightly more. 1 teaspoon on each mussel. We can place the rest of the chili dip in the center. The delicious steamed mussels are ready to be served. This is suitable for party and quick meal for the family too. Let's eat! So good! The sweetness of Thai chili sauce complements the chewy mussels and the crunchy salad. It goes so well together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the green mussel recipe, please share it and subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye-bye.